Well, Rina Shah is a political advisor and commentator. She joins me now live from Washington. And Rina, sparks have been flying again between Trump and the judge. What do you make of all this so far?
Well, I think this is a very intense place in which we see the former president, a place in which we have not seen him before, a place in which he is lashing out today at the judge in this trial. This is really important to distinguish here. This is a bench trial, not a jury trial. So essentially, what this judge is saying to Donald Trump rules the day. There have been some really bombastic moments in this trial today, but let's not forget what's on the line for this former president. Again, now a private citizen. He essentially has his reputation as a CEO and a real estate mogul. That's what's in jeopardy here. That's how people see him. He's had this long storied past of being incredibly successful. So again, that is what's on the line. And then also, what does he stand to lose? What he stands to lose is his business license as well as potential ownership of some of his most famous properties.
But Rina, his support is still sizable among Republicans, though, isn't it? It seems like this guy can do no wrong with them. But do you think he's worried? Some people are saying he looks it now. What could this mean for the future for Donald Trump?
An element of psychology that I believe is at great play with any politician, whether former, current, or future. When you look at a person who is lashing out at an authority, almost cannot be controlled, you wonder, has that person got something to hide? And this is something we have seen with Mr. Trump before he came to the White House, something in which he inflates not only the size of the crowd of his inauguration in 2017, but in the past he was known to also exaggerate about his success. So what I think we see here is a president who, a former president, excuse me, a potential future president even, now sitting in this private moment, who may be very, very afraid again of losing that business stake, the very success that comes with having licenses, with having these properties, with having a reputation which has not been blemished until now, unless you look at the political circle. So I would just say this: let's see what happens after today. But these bombastic moments in the courtroom have been amplified, and I wonder if it'll change some minds.
OK, Rina Shah, thank you very much. The Trump show goes on. That's Rina Shah, their political advisor and commentator, joining us live from Washington.